Are you looking for a unique two-family in the heart of the city? Hi, my name is Michelle Miller. I'm from Premier Real Estate. Welcome to 2 PEACEDALE AVE in Worcester, Massachusetts. Welcome back. So where are we? We are minutes away from routes 20, routes 146, and the Mass Pike. And if you're looking for some shopping, we are very close to the Super Walmart and the shops at Blackstone Valley. I'm excited to show you this unique property today. Let's take a look inside. All right, so we're coming into the first unit. It's a little over 1,000 square feet. This home was built in 1957, and here's the kitchen. You would need a refrigerator, but there is new flooring in this space. Now I'm coming into the spacious living room. You do have carpeting in the space, but I was told there was beautiful hardwood flooring underneath here, and there's a nice picture window letting a lot of sunlight in. Coming into one of the larger bedrooms on this first floor, and there is unfortunately no hardwood flooring under this carpeting, but you could easily add it. Here's one of the other bedrooms. You do have a chandelier light. There is wallpaper and carpeting, but you've got some beautiful woodwork. Coming into one of the smaller bedrooms, you can see the hardwood flooring, and you've got newer Harvey windows throughout this first floor unit. And lastly, here's another bedroom, generous size, with carpeting and a ceiling light. And here's the full-size bath. You have tile flooring, tile wall, and a full-size shower and tub area. When you come for the showing, I can show you the full basement where the utility is, the half bath, and the one-car garage under. So now I'm going to show you the second unit, which has its own entrance on the second floor. I wanted to take note that there is city water and sewer, and that there is gas, heat, and all the appliances are included. So now we're coming into the living room. Nice and bright in here. And then right across from me, you've got this generous sized dining room with chandelier and a applianced kitchen. So we're coming into one of the 3 bedrooms in this unit. You've got a ceiling light, closet, and double windows. We're coming into the second bedroom on the second floor. You've got some beautiful views of the city throughout that window. And then here is the full bath on the second floor of this unit. Full shower and tub. And this is your third bedroom with the second egress leading out to the beautiful backyard. So I'm ending my tour in this beautiful backyard. It's a little over an acre. You have lots of privacy here. You've got an in-ground swimming pool and a storage shed and some of the oldest trees in the city of Worcester. So PEACEDALE Ave is a paper street. I'm standing on it right now, and if you'd like more information, you can reach out to me. My name is Michelle Miller. I'm from Premier Real Estate. Make it a great day.